What's up, gardeners? Today I'm going to be building a trellised raised bed for my tomatoes, all for less than $45. Measuring out the last 3-foot side of this 3x8 bed that I'm building, check out this video here to see how I make these panels. I'm going to assemble it and then I'm going to put it where I want it, which I think it pretty much is where I want it. And then I'm going to pound a couple posts in the middle and install this 8-foot cattle panel as a trellis for my tomatoes that I'll be planting maybe today. Because I also need to plant some peppers. So, there you have it. An 8x3 raised bed made out of 2 pallets, maybe 2.5, with a trellis in the middle made of a cattle panel. Cattle panel? Is that right? What is it? So, now I can fill her up with some dirt from my dirt mound. I'm probably going to amend the soil a little bit with some organic fertilizer just because the tomatoes should be farther along at this point. They were stunted from the crazy weather we had earlier this season, so I'm just going to give them a little bit of help. Plant some tomatoes. I think I end up planting about 9 tomatoes and then water them and call it a day. Thanks for hanging out in my garden with me, guys. It's been real. It's been fun. But, you know, it ain't been real fun. Just kidding. It's been a blast, but it is hot as balls, and I'm going to go jump in the lake. We'll see you guys next time right here on Rooted Elk Ranch. Bye.